How's it? It's Sean here from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Temperance card. Okay, so before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. It's free. And we're doing this awesome playlist of the tarot and the tarot deck and the history of the tarot. So please subscribe. All right, cool. So, Temperance, a red-winged angel wearing a white robe of purity pours the contents of one golden chalice into the other. And there she's pouring it into the other, illustrating the tempering of the forces of the conscious and unconscious. The robe is embellished with a white square, symbolic of the solidity of earth, contains an orange triangle, a symbol of upward aspirations. On the angel's forehead is a golden circle with a dot in the center, revealing spiritual illumination. She stands next to a small pool with 1 foot on the land and 1 foot in the water, suggesting the bridge between conscious and the unconscious aspects of life. So there she's standing there. On the edge of the pool grows an iris, symbolic of a bridge between heaven and earth. In the background is a path that leads through a field and into a pass in the mountains where the sun shines brightly, offering hope for finding a compromise between opposites. Temperance symbolizes the power of successful combinations to create continuity, unification, and harmony in the world. Alright, so Temperance, the 14th card, represents blending and creating, success, health, and moderation in everything, including peace of mind and flexibility, unification and harmony in the world. Keywords: continuity, moderation, balance, compromise, self-restraint, harmony, and health. Alright, these are the Celtic cross positions. Now, before we carry on up, there's a video, it's suggested up in the top right corner of this video. It's called Suggested Videos. So that shows you how the Celtic cross cards are laid out and how they all are interrelated. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch that now, because I'm going to go through all those key positions and you won't understand it. So that's a great reference guide to understand how the cards all fit in. All right, so go watch that. Okay, so the key position number 1 represents a balanced personality practicing self-control, flexibility, and adaptability. A sensible, moderate, emotionally cooperative person, a good communicator, an artist, musician, and scientist. It suggests balancing spiritual development with material and physical development, learning to attune to balance. Flag position number 2 represents the need for cooperation, flexibility, and adaptation for good management. Okay, situation. A. Patience and timing will be important in juggling and resolving the elements in the situation. B. Your situation may offer potential for mental and spiritual healing. C. Consider both sides of the situation. Challenge. A. Remember, you can compromise without losing integrity if you discover the right proportions influencing the situation. B. Establish more balance in your life. C. Recognize that no matter how much you have to balance issues, divine energy is always with you. Okay, root position number 3 indicates as forces for equilibrium and balance are strong. It represents good management and cooperation, choosing the middle path of moderation, adaptation, and compromise. It represents an individual who is balanced and sensible. Past position number 4 indicates you relied on mutual understanding and cooperation to manage a situation. It suggests a working and harmonious balance to suit the needs of the situation, adaptation, and reconciliation. Okay, so crown position 5 represents the introduction of additional elements into your life, or the successful balancing of ones already in place. It suggests seeking a middle path, a compromise, or a resolution to a problem. All right, so 6, near future position. It represents peace of mind and balanced affairs, the ability to combine the necessary elements of all aspects of your life to achieve a harmonious balance. It suggests a time of psychological and spiritual stability. Okay, so 7, fear position. Represents the fear of being unable to balance all the responsibilities in your life, a fear of limitation and poor management. 8th position, judgment position, represents someone who appears to have everything under control, family, career, or other involvement. It suggests an individual with well-balanced priorities. It also suggests someone with great restraint. Okay, number 9, hope position. Represents a desire for harmony and balance in your life. You are hoping to measure and combine temper and adjust to a successful living. It may indicate a desire to practice self-restraint, to take the middle between extremes and a desire for limitations. 10th position, the future outcome position, represents good management, cooperation, compromise, good partnerships, and relationships. A period of harmony and balance. It indicates an ability to maintain control and self-restraint, choosing the middle path and peace of mind. Okay, so these are the opposing and reinforcing cards to the Temperance card. Okay, so the planet is Jupiter, the astrological sign is Sagittarius. The actions are temperate, balance, health, and combining forces. Now, the opposing cards. The Tower, extremes exploding apart. The Five of Wands, disagreement, competition, imbalance. The Seven of Cups, excess, overindulgence. The Five of Swords, discord, lack of harmony. And the Five of Pentacles, ill health. Reinforcing cards to Temperance are the World, integration, combination, and synthesis. Two of Cups, connection, working together. Three of Cups, joining forces, working together. The Two of Pentacles, balance, finding the right mix. And lastly, the Three of Pentacles, teamwork and combining. So these cards reinforce the Temperance cards, and these cards oppose the Temperance cards. Okay, so that's it for the Temperance card. Our next card's going to be on the Devil. Okay, so please look out for that card. All right, so please like this video, please share it with everybody you know, and subscribe to our channel. Once again, it's free, and we're doing this awesome playlist on the tarot, the history and all the cards. We're dissecting and going through all the cards in the tarot. So please subscribe. And leave any comments and suggestions or questions, anything you want, just to know that we know that you're there. All right, so until the Devil video card, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.